1.5 million seniors live in LA County. This population is expected to double by 2030. Eating a healthy meal is a challenge for many seniors in the county. Many can't leave their homes. Unfortunately, many seniors don't have the support of family members. Delivering a fresh meal to needy seniors is one of CSS's top priorities. Each year, we deliver over 2 million meals to seniors unable to leave their homes. Other seniors receive delicious, healthy lunches at over 100 sites throughout the county. Over 30 large kitchen facilities prepare these wholesome meals.
This is a great opportunity for seniors to socialize as well as to enjoy their meals.
Seniors face many other challenges other than their nutritional needs. Financial and emotional abuse among seniors is a pervasive issue in the county. Our social workers respond to thousands of emergency calls every day, 24 hours a day. They investigate cases where seniors are victims of abuse and neglect.
And these social workers do the follow-up and make sure that these individuals are cared for.
Our work with seniors will only increase in future years. In this recession, many people can't find a job. Last year alone, close to 1 million people came to our 19 WorkSource centers looking for job referrals or get additional training to become more marketable. To get them a job, we work closely with many companies such as Kaiser, FedEx, and American Apparel. Companies such as these come to our WorkSource centers to recruit for thousands of positions.
Anybody can walk into any of our 19 WorkSource centers or satellites and actually get a lot of self-directed services on employment.
Meaning that they could just do their own job search, use our resources to print out resumes, look online. We have a job bank that's linked to CalJobs, which is operated by EDD.
We are also there whenever a company is closing their operations or having mass layoffs. We help their workers access government services such as unemployment benefits and to connect them with other social services available to them. There are roughly 1.5 million young people in the county. Unemployment among teens and young adults is a big problem, especially during the summer months. Over the past few years, we have employed thousands of teens in jobs in public and private agencies.
I'm really excited and proud to say that last year we actually had 3 concurrent programs running simultaneously, and that helped us to provide over 3,000 youth of Los Angeles with work experience.
In any field you work in, you're going to be dealing with people, so it's helped me become more aware of how to deal with people on a day-to-day basis.
Before, I was really a shy person and I wouldn't talk out in the class, but now I'm more comfortable doing that.
My life is completely different from basically being a criminal, you could say, to being a college student, having a city job, and a good father.
Gangs and violence is also a big issue among teens. We work closely with schools such as Washington Prep to lower the level of violence in the school.
Things are hard and coming to school shouldn't be any harder, and when you have everybody together, it's bound to make things easier.
I feel that it's a real positive environment and it's something real positive for the school.
And so we're getting our message out, no haters here, and now we're getting ready to really explain to people what that means.
Our youth speak the universal language of music. For this reason, we formed the youth band The Bricks with help from Grammy Award-winning producers. The Bricks reach youth on campuses and juvenile facilities with a message of inspiration on social justice issues. The whole program is about inspiring young people, sharing with young people, mentoring young people.
The young people have a voice that isn't necessarily heard, but they do want to be heard.
I hope we can just inspire people to think that there is better things that are going to come.
Our 14 service centers are focal points in the unincorporated areas of the county. They provide food, information, and referral, and childcare and after-school care. They are also home to several community-based organizations. Each center provides a place for the community to meet and make decisions that impact their communities.
Service centers are a hub in communities that we serve. It's a place where a host of human services are already provided to those specific communities, and they're needs-based.
Many people in our communities are victims of hate crime. Last year alone, there were 427 hate crimes in the county. We work closely with law enforcement agencies to compile the most comprehensive listing of all hate crimes in the county.
And with that information, we're able to deliver it into the hands of law enforcement and advocates and service providers to hopefully better inform efforts to prevent, detect, investigate, and prosecute hate crime.
We also work to resolve conflicts. Each year, we mediate thousands of cases that otherwise would end up in the courts. We also work closely with communities that have been affected by gang violence and trauma, assisting in the empowering and healing process through community engagement, mentoring, civic organizing, and the reentry of individuals released from incarceration.
We've played a role in gang violence reduction. We're playing a role in the planning of the county's new county-wide plan for gang violence reduction.
And I see that we have really been able to establish some important changes in communities that have resulted in lives being saved.
We are a dynamic human services organization with close to 500 employees. We work closely with over 100 nonprofit agencies to provide services in the county. We use the latest in technology to bring efficiencies to our way of doing business. We use WebEx, for example, to instantly communicate with our employees as well as our community partners. All of our contracts are fully automated. Most of the manual work done by contract analysts has been eliminated. In addition, contractors have online access to their contract documents. Our social workers use a web-based case management system to handle their increasing workload. We are an organization committed to performance. We track the performance of all of our programs and have instituted the stats process as a way to increase accountability in all of our operations.
I am grateful for the opportunity to lead Los Angeles County's Community and Senior Services. We provide a multitude of services for the citizens of Los Angeles County through the commitment of our employees and our partner agencies. I am very proud of the work that we do.